Bye. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. Today is Friday, which means today starts the second weekend of sorority recruitment. So it is the second and final weekend and I am so excited. If you have not checked out my last vlog I vlogged sorority recruitment last weekend, go check it out in the cards above. I'll have that up here. Today, like I said, is sisterhood round, which is Friday. Tomorrow is preference, and then Sunday is bid day. I've had a heck of a week this week. It has just been emotionally draining and really hard, and I am definitely feeling better this morning than I think I felt all week. So I'm feeling good. Honestly, with like what I've been through this week, I've never felt like more empowered and more motivated to really like find my sisters and find those girls who are gonna support me in these rough times. So, and I'm so thankful for the girls that I already have in my life, because without them, like, I wouldn't have gotten through this week. Thank you guys so much. Like, I love you all if you're watching this, but I literally would not have gotten through this week without them, and like, I'm just so grateful for them. Probably my hardest week at college I've had yet. It was like so hard, and it was a pretty big bump on the road, you know? I'm excited for recruitment today because we find out who called us back, and like, I have been waiting for this all week, and it's been so nerve-wracking because it's just been like literally like just not knowing like what to expect. To see who wants to see me back. Hopefully some of them are in my top 5. Hopefully like the 3 that I really want to see back and give another chance call me back. If not, everything happens for a reason, you know. I am living by that saying, especially now, especially like in this like next part of my college life. I feel like I just like left like a whole part behind. Like, after I'm done here, I'm going to finish my Cliff Bar that's for kids and get a shower. I need to like wash my hair again because like I'm just wearing my hair natural today. This is like my natural hair, but like it looks better like when it's fresh out of the shower, you know. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm come back, do my makeup, and like get ready. And then we're meeting my one friend for lunch for 12 o'clock, and we have to be there at 2. So like I have some time. Like I really just want to like relax, eat my food, get it together, you know. So I don't like want to be rushing at 12 o'clock to get ready like in an hour. So yeah, so today should be really exciting. See you guys soon. I'm gonna like just relax a little bit more, go get my shower. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so sorry I'm a little bit late on the updating. I just got back from eating lunch with Ashley and Allie. We went to the dining hall. So yeah, I ate lunch with them. I had a corn dog and it was like really good. So my makeup, so this is what we're going with today. I need to like touch it up obviously because like my lipstick got down here, and like I feel like I need more mascara on. Now that I just got back, I'm just gonna like touch my face up, like I said, steam my dress, and like basically like get ready to go. So yeah, it's so exciting. It's like getting like a little nervous because like we want to know who called us back, but like other than that, I'm like really excited to like see the houses today, you know. We'll talk to you guys soon. I'm gonna like show you guys like my outfit like really quickly, like what I'm wearing is like a little like preview. Welcome to our room where it smells like burnt hair,
and it's like really messy in here. Like, in a week
and a half,
literally. Everything is everywhere, just like my life.
Literally same. Hi, I'm a mess. What's up? This is what I'm wearing today. It's so vibrant, which is what I'm not right now. I mean, just kidding, like I am vibrant right now. This is gonna make me feel vibrant. So it's just like this really pretty, like, I think it's like kind of like a midi kind of dress. It's from American Eagle. It has like these cute brown buttons, and I'm doing gold jewelry because like I did gold eyeshadow, so like we love. And then they want to like put my hair back in like cute little like boho kind of style. So yeah, my curls came out pretty good today from my shower. Nice little ringlets, so I'm pretty happy about that. Like, look at this curl, like, ugh, all natural. We love that. Oh wait, but here's my outfit. My dress is from American Eagle. My shoes are from Old Navy. My jewelry, once again, is all from Francesca's. And yeah, Marisa out. Ashley looks so good too. Yes, sister, sisterhood. Yeah, like, let's go. Woo! Hi, so we're walking now to, and my hair is in my face. Really cold. Like, I wish like fall weather could have held off for like literally one more day. I'm really excited. We have to take pictures though.
It's rare that I ever look this good.
Literally same.
So we need to document.
Yeah, and like I love this dress. Like I've been so excited to wear it since I bought it. I got it on clearance, so love that. But Yeah, and we find out in like 20 minutes who asked us back.
Oh my goodness.
It is literally so cold. I am like, it's like an iceberg. Like, my blood is not thick enough yet. I literally just finished because, like, I was so overwhelmed with, like, multiple emotions. So I'll talk to y'all when we get back. But right now, I'm so cold. Like, all I want right now is a big sweatshirt and sweatpants and a North Face. Like, I don't think I've ever been this cold. And then we had to wait outside the houses, and it was so cold. Oh, I just got back from Sisterhood Round, and oh boy, it was a night. I was so worried and so concerned about like what houses were gonna call me back, and I am so grateful. I got called back to 5 houses. They weren't all the ones that like I wanted exactly, but honestly, like, this is when they say like to trust the process. And I'm so grateful that I got the 2 that I really loved back. My top 2, and they are the 2 that I really want to pref, and I really hope that what I had with the girls there tonight was enough to allow them to pref me, you know. So I literally went from 5 houses to 2, and today was like a really like stressful round for so many people. So many girls dropped today, and like my heart just broke because I was like no, like don't give up. Like, you literally like never know. Like, that's why it's so important to keep an open mind through this whole process. They could call back to all 5, which to 5 houses, which I was not expecting at all. So I wasn't planning on being out from 2 till 10 o'clock. Literally my dinner was Annie Ann's. Love that. I feel so great about the 2 houses that I prefed, put as my preferences. Hopefully those 2 ask me back. The third one, the one I put technically second, I really loved as well. So like, honestly, any of those 2 want me back, I think I'd be pretty happy in those houses, honestly. And my 2 are like what I really want, but like the third one, I think I would be happy there too. Tomorrow is pref. We have to be there at 11 a.m. I'm sorry, like, I can't like film much in there because it's just like, it's so like chaotic and hectic, and it's just like, let me vlog anything about your day.
I don't know. It was not what I expected.
It's okay.
But honestly, like, the whole everything happens for a reason, trust the process thing is totally true. This morning, I did not think I would have like the day that I did, and like this morning I was like, my whole life is over, like my whole reputation is over, I'm done, like I'm staying in my bed the rest of the day. And then
what did you feel like this?
Just a lot of emotions. Yes. And the whole thing that like everybody says, like, trust the process, everything happens for a reason, literally so cheesy but totally true.
So true.
Literally so true. Like, this afternoon, like, I was like literally a mess, crying so much. I cried all my makeup
I felt
off. Like,
so bad. I like literally like, I was like, what do I do?
I cried.
What do I say?
I cried so much. But it's so nice because everyone's so understanding, and they're like, your SRCs are like, I went through what you went through, like, you were gonna be fine. So I trusted them. I went through the whole day, and like, I could not be happier.
Trust the process.
Seriously, trust the process, because like I was like devastated. Like, this afternoon, I was like, do I go through, like, what is going on? Like, why is this happening? And then like, that was at like 2 o'clock. It's 10:15
it's
now.
10:15.
8 hours later, your girl's mood could not be better.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And like,
Thanks for my TED Talk.
Yes, we love Ashley's TED Talks. And like, I feel like really good, and like, I'm grateful that I got the time that I got with the people that I got. Good morning, everyone. So I just woke up. I am such a wreck. This morning is preference round, and we have to be there by 11. So it's like it's like 9 o'clock right now, I think. I need to get a shower and eat and get ready like kind of quickly today. So kind of stressful, kind of nervous to see who pref me back, but we're just gonna go with it. I kind of felt like overnight, like once I slept on it, I was like,
I really feel like I know which house is gonna be the one for me if they call me back, obviously. Just like because of how the girls made me feel, and I never felt so like at home before, like with a group of girls, and it was just like such a good feeling. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I hope they call me back and I get to pref them, but if they don't, it might be really sad. So we'll see what happens, but I am excited to pref today, so I'm excited to just like learn more about the 2 chapters that want to see me back. And yeah, so I'm gonna like get ready. I need to get a shower really quickly, and then I'm going to basically like do my makeup and stuff again, fix this hair into something presentable, and get breakfast with my roommate. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. It's gonna be really busy this morning though, so hopefully I can vlog a little bit. So hi guys, we are ready for preference round, which is our last round of recruitment. So okay, outfit time. So I'm wearing this super cute black and white jumpsuit from New York & Company. I was gonna wear a white dress from there, but time of the month. So basically, yeah, it's just this really cute black and white jumpsuit. I'm wearing my Aldo really cute heels, and then I'm also gonna wear with my New York & Company blazer. And then my jewelry is all Alex and Ani again, and then my earrings are Bella earrings. So yes. Okay, Ashley, do you want to do your outfit?
I can't remember where any of this is from. I think this is from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, of course.
Literally.
I don't know where the earrings are from. Probably Francesca's. And then the shoes, don't know where they're from either, but yeah.
So cute. Yeah, so we're really excited. We can get asked back up to 2 houses today. So yes, like let's go. It's recruitment time, and it's our last round, which is like crazy. And then tomorrow's bid day. So Hi guys. So I just wanted to hop on and vlog super quickly. I'm so excited because I got back the 2 houses that I really loved yesterday, and like I'm just gonna say them because like why not. Delta Zeta and Chi Omega, and I am so excited, and I truly feel so confident in whichever house I'm going to end up in, and I just feel so great right now. Like I'm so grateful and thankful that this turned out for me the way that it did, and it just breaks my heart to see like that didn't for some other girls. So I'm so grateful right now. I just feel so blessed. And yeah, so you guys an update. I have 2 rounds, but I have a break right now for a round, and then I have my first round at 125 with Delta Zeta, and then I go I think like 4 something with Chi Omega. So I have a couple breaks in between. So yeah, I'm going to just like wait around a little bit. I have like 15-20 minutes before I have to get on the bus to go to my first round. So yeah, I will catch you guys later.
Yeah, just smile.
Lunch. This is Hannah. This is Kaylee. What's up? Yes, food of champions. I don't even know. Hi guys, so like it's been a minute since you saw me last. I'm back with my girl Ash. Hi. I finished recruitment around like 5:15. I went back to our dorm, got changed. I had my last round with Kyo, and it was great. And then I got to rank. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what bid day holds tomorrow. Honestly, whatever happens and is meant to be, and I know I will be happy wherever I do end up. So I'm to Chipotle now because I haven't had Chipotle.
The highlight of my week, my life,
too.
My whole entire existence.
Yes, like literally, like we love Chipotle. So I gotta catch a bus at the student center because like we could walk, but like sister's feet are tired today from heels all day. So yeah, and then I gotta go back to the dorm and like clean the whole thing.
So bad. I have a project
And laundry
due
and
Monday.
homework.
Didn't start her yet.
I have a quiz I have to do like tomorrow night. But like I want to get done tonight because like I don't really know if I'm gonna have time tomorrow because like bid day, you know, like don't know how long it's gonna last. So hi guys, so I am super exhausted from today. We ended up not being able to go downtown to get our dinner because the buses weren't running, so we just had to go to like the student center, and I had a really good burrito bowl though, so like it was pretty good still. Yes, my makeup is still on my face. I need to take it off and go to bed. I just like came back, cleaned up my room, did some homework I needed to before tomorrow, and at this point I'm so ready for bed day. I'm about to just like watch like bid day vlogs and like stuff like that on YouTube to put myself to sleep because I'm just so excited. So I have to wake up pretty early. I have to be at the student center by 9 tomorrow, so I need to get up around like 7 o'clock or so. Really, really excited. So yeah, I'm ready to get a good night's sleep tonight though. So I will see you guys tomorrow on bid day. Hi guys, so I just woke up and it is bid day. I am very excited. It's really early. It's 7:30 or so, 7:40 right now, and like we have to be there at 9. I'm just like, oh, like I feel so dead. All right, so I'm gonna get ready now and I will keep you guys updated. So okay, we are ready for freaking bid day, guys. Like it is finally here. I don't have a voice, but it's fine. Literally we're just like wearing basic stuff today. Like I'm just wearing some like basic stuff. So I'm just wearing my jeans from American Eagle, my favorite Berkeys because like that's all I wear, and just this tank top from like JCPenney because like I don't really have anything else that's like plain. But like, what are you wearing?
I don't even know. These are from Target. These shoes are from Target. Just like a regular like tank top.
Because they're giving us shirts obviously. So like yeah, but we are so ready to go. We need to go get breakfast though because like. Death. It's so early. Hungry. Well, maybe they might have food. Like we should like check first, but yeah. So we're gonna go bid day. Yeah.
Time to get pneumonia. When you already have strep C.
It's literally so cold right now, and like I didn't really have any like neutral like t-shirts. You know, like oh, I guess I did have a couple other options.
That squirrel. He's just like living life.
He is. So right now it's kind of rainy right now. I just got a group text from my SRC. And they're not like confirming if we're gonna be inside or outside till 10 o'clock, which kind of sucks because like, oh, it's frigid. Normally like they have recruitment here, like it would have been like a couple of weeks ago. Like we would have already known this, been there, done that by now. So it would have been hotter outside, but like it's literally freezing. Like I don't want to bring a coat because like, what am I gonna do with it? Then again, I probably should have. It's supposed to warm up too. It's supposed to be like in the 70s today. So like it is only like 8:30 right now. Hence why it is so cold. So yeah. So we're walking to the student center for the 5th time.
Oh my
god. Literally feel like I live at the student center now. So yeah, I will like show you guys like what's going on in there. It's gonna be like really chaotic. So yeah, I'm so excited. And I will talk to you guys soon, and we're gonna know when we get in. Like, I got Delta Zeta! I'm so excited! And it's so busy right now. We're getting ready to like run home, and yeah, I'm a Zeta. Woo! I'm so excited right now. The shirts are adorable, by the way. Like, they're blue for my Instagram feed. Like, it's destined, it's meant to be, bro. Like, I can't wait to go. So it's been like a long morning of waiting, but yeah, I am so happy, and yeah.